What's up, all my MOPAR viewers? This is for the MOPAR Club, and I'm gonna tell y'all another way to keep yourself safe from having your motherfucking assets stolen. But I'm gonna show you something from dealing with a person who thinks and a person who knows conventionalism. Okay, I showed y'all the brake lock, and I'm gonna show you something so simple that literally is so simple that you will be surprised at how much of a deterrent it is. Real talk. Now, I'm going to show you how these individuals who steal property from people who work hard for what they got try to come and conventionally take your shit. Now, look, you see this right here? Okay? We know that thieves can come and steal, your property for whatever intents and purposes it is. And they can push this in manual if they pop up the manual release, right? But I'm gonna show y'all something that's gonna change your life. Now, me, I'm not no mechanic, nor am I gonna void my warranty on anything. I'm not gonna ruin the interior, none of that shit. I ain't taking nothing apart. I'm not taking nothing apart. Let me show you something though. 3, 2, 1. Crazy glue. Super glue. Now, this doesn't void your warranty at all. If you have a dealership access and whatever, this right here will save you a lot of time and trouble. Because thieves always look for access to this. Let me tell you something about criminals, okay? They're not the brightest thinkers in the world. If that was the case, jail wouldn't be full. But let me tell you something. You see around the back, around this, see, it just folds right in, right? Folds right in. So what do? Okay? This is what thieves gonna be fumbling and bumbling upon when they try to get your car. They trying to get up in there. Now, I didn't apply the glue yet, right? I didn't. You know what I'm saying? I did not. Now, in regards to this, these are going to look for a way for easy access. Now, mind you, I did not apply the glue. So with enough thumb work, with enough finger work, yeah, you can get it. Now, what you do is you take some dollar store super glue and you just line it around the edges. And it firmly fixes itself in place. Okay? It adheres. You know what I'm saying? And what you do to firm the brace, you also put it along the lines of here too. So now while you away from your car, you got your brake lock in, you got your kill switch activated, and you got the crazy glue to keep them from getting your shit out of the manual. Your car ain't going nowhere. Call 911. Other than that, you might use that hand cannon. You know what I'm saying? That's the last resort. The hand cannon, if you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? The hand cannon. You get it? But this is informational, educational purposes only. It is so simple. A lot of people want to buy them plates and all that stuff. You don't need that. This is all you need. Some super glue. You know what I'm saying? And if you see somebody break your shit, record it. If you don't want to go to that extent, record it. Call the police and send their ass to jail. Don't get involved if you don't want to, get involved. Like, get a police report. It is what it is. You witnessed it. You recorded it. Kept you out of trouble. And you can move on with your life. A broke window, 90% of the times you got your shit from a dealership, they're going to replace everything that was damaged anyway. So 99-cent super glue is a theft deterrent. If you don't want nobody to steal your hard-earned motherfucking asset. Real talk. You better make sure that you protect your assetry at all costs and understand the vulnerabilities of it. This car ain't going nowhere if they can't get here. That's what they look for. Keep them stumbling, keep them bumbling. Got a brake lock on your shit. You got this motherfucker, no access to this. And you got low jack on your car. Because a lot of these thieves don't know that Dodges come with low jack. We know where you're going to be. You know what I'm saying? And you don't even know where the tracker is. It's in the car. So if you try to steal a Dodge, I'm letting you know right now, your ass going to jail. Because I'm going to prosecute to the fullest extent of the law. I'm going to put your ass under the jail. You attempt to steal my shit. Call me a snitch. I don't give a fuck. I work too hard for this shit. Fuck that. If your pussy ass want one, if you a thief, go get you one. Go buy one. You know what I'm saying? Be a real man. Stand the fuck up. But I'm telling y'all, it's all it takes. And I'm going to show y'all another video of how it works once I apply this. Protect what you pay for. Don't never let nobody try to cheat you out of what the fuck you pay for. You better motherfucking make sure you pay for, you earn what you got. Period. Other than that, I'll show you our next review when I finish applying this crazy glue. That was bars, dude. I'll show you our next review when I apply this crazy glue. See y'all soon. Take care.